Okay, so I already scraped out the ground with my little plastic shovel, and this is the very first time I'm going to put this tent together. And let me tell you, it's kind of windy, and I have to put the stakes on the corners because it's a little heavy. I noticed. And you know what? I didn't practice. I didn't practice to do this, so bear with me. It might take longer than usual. Where are the sticks? They make it look so quick and easy, but they never talk about the wind conditions. I gotta get this thing set up quickly because it'll be dark in a couple hours, and I want to get food ready and get the camp organized. I already got my bear supplies up in the thing that goes in here. And that goes in here. Okay. And this goes here. Oh, this is not going to be easy. You guys gonna say, Cordell, you should have done it already. Got it done by now. Practice makes perfect. And this is my very first time, so I'm missing something. Oh. Sorry, I got my back towards you. My front doesn't look any better. And I'm coming to the conclusion that drag packing, even though it's the first time I tried it, if it's not light, it's not worth doing it. It has to be light enough to get the benefit. Okay, so that's one. And I couldn't go in too far. I wanted to go on the other side, but it's the bow, and this is just a trial run for the rifle. This area for the bow, it's too open. It's better for rifle, so I'm just here, kind of a bow scouting more or less, because I don't know why, but I got him backwards. Does it make a difference? I don't think so. I got the gold with the gray and the gray with the gold. Well, we'll see what happens. See, that gives you a indication that my batteries are wearing out. I'm tired. I took my sweet time to prep, and there's a lot. Jesus, a lot. There's so much gear. Jesus, what am I doing here? Alright, I'm going to have to turn off the camera because I'm going to kill the battery. It's not working out.